Delay in the signing of Sir Lewis Hamilton for Mercedes was one of the hot talks before the season, and after all sort of delay, the seven-time world champion signed only 1 year deal with Silver Arrows. Now Mercedes team principal Toto Wolff has opened his thoughts on retaining Lewis Hamilton. In an interview, he was asked if he wants to continue with Lewis Hamilton, to which he replied, I very much hope so. The journey that we have had together was very successful. He has been a Mercedes driver, a Mercedes kid since his go-karting years. He never raced a single weekend in Formula 1 without a Mercedes power unit, so it's the logical continuation of the story. Later on, he also discussed the possible time frame for the signing of Sir Lewis Hamilton. He said, certainly we don't want to leave it until January to confirm the two drivers. Valtteri Bottas was pretty regular during the summer. This is when it should happen. Also to give the driver peace of mind or be able to concentrate on the job. Russell says psychologists helped him come into 2021 season stronger than ever. I am feeling stronger and stronger about this. The more time goes on, and since I have also had these difficult moments and learned that talking about it to the right person. Obviously, talking to your family and friends is all well and good, but getting professional advice was really important. Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.